how to add the glowing eyes on Minecraft characters. I've been getting some requests to make a tutorial about it, and it's really easy to do. So let's do that in this tutorial. Also, if you stay until the end of this video, I will show you some other cool things to customize the character. So for this tutorial, I will be using the BPS rig version 4. It belongs to the Square the Media YouTube channel, and I will link their YouTube channel, their character rig, and their Discord server in the description. So for other rigs, you might need to use different methods to add glowing eyes, such as adding the emission instead of the diffuse. But for this tutorial, I will show you how to add the effect on the BPS rig version 4. So once you have your characters appended in a scene, select the mesh, then enter pose mode by clicking Ctrl Tab, or you can use this menu to go into the pose mode. Now select the square bone which controls the pupils. Click on S and then type 0 on your keyboard to scale these to 0 and make them disappear. Now go out of the pose mode and select this material icon. Then go to the materials tab and select eyes. Now you will see these options down here called emit right and emit left. Let's slide them up to 1 and see what happens. If you want to see the effects, you can go to the rendered view in the viewport. You can see that the eyes start glowing. If you use the slider, the max value you can type is 1. But you can click here and then manually type any number. For example, if you want a strong emission, you can type a value of 3 or 4. If you go higher, it's gonna go crazy, but feel free to experiment and see what works. Now, the character's eyes will be glowing. If you want to add extra effects, then you can go to the compositing, click on use nodes, and then add a glare node. Switch it to fog glow and then turn down the threshold. Now, if you render the image by clicking F12, you can see the results. You can also preview the effect in real time. So go to the rendered view in the viewport, click on this arrow, and down here select always, which means that we will be able to see the compositing effects in real time in the viewport, both inside and outside of the camera view. Now, if I go back to the solid view, I will show you some other things you can do with the rig. So if you select this material mesh, then click on N to bring out the side panel and then go to item. Then you can expand this properties panel, and then here you can see you have different options. For example, you can make the arms thinner, make the facial features disappear and add your own skin. You can also move your eyes and mouth up and down and much more. So that's it for this video. As you can see, it's pretty easy to customize and add the glowing eyes to your character. If you want to support the channel and also get some cool rewards, then be sure to check out my Patreon page linked in the description. The lowest tier starts at $1, and by joining you can get the videos 1 and sometimes 2 days earlier than on YouTube. And also, you will have your name in the credits of my videos. And of course, by joining you will be supporting the channel as well. Feel free to give this video a like if you liked it. Also, if you want to know how to add the wind to your animations and how to make your grass and leaves move with the wind, then be sure to check out this video and I will see you there. Thank you for watching.